This video is to show you how to register for and access the Key Dental portal. The Key Dental portal is an easy way to allow you to access your records, appointment schedules and treatment plans from anywhere at any time, giving you flexibility and convenience. To access the portal can be done in a couple of ways. Occasionally we may send you emails reminding you that you're due to book appointments or appointment reminders, and this will include a link to access it. Alternatively, you can do so through our website. At the top of the page, on the home page, you'll see the button here that says book an appointment. So if we click onto this will open up the portal. What we need to do here is to enter the mobile phone number that is linked to your account. It will then ask you to verify your name. So particularly useful if you have certain family members registered on the same telephone number. So for this, I've just created a case here just to demonstrate. What it will then do is to verify first of all that there is a match with our system, and then it will send an SMS code to that number to verify that you have access to that telephone number. So in a short period of time, a 6-digit passcode will come through. You'll need to pop that into the system here. And now it will ask you to create your own password to access in the future. Then the next step, the first time that you do this to register, it will send an email link to the email address that's linked to the system. So then what you need to do is to access your emails, and you'll have a link here to verify that you have access to that email address. So I click that, you should now. So we'll pop the same password that we used before. And this should take us now into the terms and conditions of the portal. So if you read through those, if you're happy with everything on those, then click accept and continue. So this is the patient portal homepage. Through here we'll be able to do various things. First of all, you'll be able to view any upcoming appointments that you have. If your details on our system are not quite complete, it will flag up there that further information would be useful for us. So for example, here it might ask you to enter an emergency contact detail there, which will then be linked onto our system. One of the main functions is that you can also book appointments from the comfort of your own home. So clicking on here, if we'd like to book an appointment, it tells us that we already have a checkup booked, and we have an option there to book a hygiene appointment. And then if we click on that, it gives us a range of dates and times. You can click onto there if you'd like to book further in advance. So let's choose Monday the 22nd of July, 9 o'clock. So there it goes, it gives us the appointment details there. This is with Denise, our therapist, and we go ahead and click book, and that is it, that's booked into the system now. So back on the home page, it will now show that we have 2 appointments, the first one being for the hygiene appointment and the second one for the dental appointment that we had booked prior. You can also use the Key Dental portal to keep your records up to date. So in here are your contact details. If you move address or change your telephone number, you will be able to edit those in here without having to wait to phone up the practice. You can do this anytime that's convenient to you. You also have the option of opting into our monthly newsletters, where we keep you up to date with latest news at the practice and any special offers that we might be running. If you'd like to receive those, click that button there to opt into those emails. Another useful function of the Key Dental portal is to keep your medical information up to date. So prior to coming to your appointments, you'll also be sent a link that will access the portal, and if you click on the link here, this will just ask you certain questions relating to your health, and if you could fill in those, that will update onto our records, and it will save you needing to do this when you arrive at reception for your appointment. Final thing that's useful to view are treatment plans. So on the tab here for treatment plans, this will show you if you have any open treatment plans that need to be completed, which will give you details of the information regarding the treatment, including any risks. So important that you understand these, so read through the document, and if you understand everything on there, it will give you the option to sign. So click the sign. You can either use a pre-made signature or you can draw your own into there. And that will then have that signed onto the system. You can also view your estimates as well. So for any treatment plans that are upcoming, this will give a list of treatments recommended along with the associated costs and the payment terms. Again, if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and sign that. We've signed this one there already. So that's a run through of the Key Dental Patient Portal, and we look forward to people using it.